these are the pieces you need to do the race car. First, I use this blue light 4-piece. Then I put it on the back. Then I take these two blue 4s and connect together and put it in the back of this blue square. Then I take this piece and put it in front. Then I have to take these two dark blue 2 pieces and put them on the side by connecting 2. Then at the very end, I put this blue one on and this one yellow one and this one red on and this one white on. And finally, I put this yellow 4 square piece on top of the engine. There, now I'm done. So this is my race car. This is the front. Here's the windows. Here's the back. Here's the side. Bye. See you soon.